In this video, we'll show you how to install the Tiny Monster Xtreme Series LED performance bulb. Most LED bulbs with fan-based cooling systems are known for being bulky and difficult to install. The Xtreme Series bulbs are incredibly compact, so they can comfortably fit in tight spaces. These bulbs outshine the market in quality and performance, making them the ideal choice for projector-style headlights, HID replacement, and off-road vehicles. Before beginning, you may need to remove the grille, headlight housing, or filter of your vehicle in order to access the bulb you are replacing. Installation is easy for this projector headlight. Step 1. Locate and remove the factory bulb. Note that some vehicles have rubber or plastic dust caps that need to be removed before you can access the stock bulb. Step 2. Insert the bulb. After it's locked inside the housing, check and make sure the LED diodes are set in the correct horizontal side-by-side orientation. Step 3. To adjust the angles of the diodes, locate the set screw on the collar of your bulb and loosen with the provided Allen key. Rotate the collar to the required position for correct installation alignment and tighten the set screw. Do not forcibly push on the cooling fan during installation. Step 4. You may need to install a decoder harness to avoid issues like flickering or on-dash errors caused by CAN bus or pulse width modulation. To install the decoder harness, connect to the LED bulb, then plug into the factory harness. Step 5. Check the positive and ground signs of your bulb before connecting the wires. Step 6. Tuck and secure all wiring. If there's not enough space for the decoder harness inside the dust cover, we recommend drilling a 1-inch hole on the dust cap to run the wires outside. Leave the decoder harness in the engine bay and seal the dust cover tightly with the built-in rubber grommet. Test your new Xtreme LED light and enjoy having illumination that outshines the market in quality and performance. The Tiny Monster Xtreme Series is the ideal choice for upgrading when you need an extreme amount of light.